watching F5. We are here at Infosecurity Europe 2024. My name is Buu. I am one of the Community Evangelists on the F5 DevCentral team. Really excited to be here. This is my second time here at Infosecurity Europe, and it's just a really amazing environment. Here in the UK, this is attracting about 14,000 people. And one of the things that should be attracting you here is the F5 stand. So we're back here at E140. And if you check out the folks standing around in the booth, you'll actually see some of these fancy Nike Air Force Ones that are colored red. And you actually have an opportunity to win a pair of those every day. So if you come by the booth, we'll help you get set up for that. Also, we've got a workshop going on. So we've got Kieran Shepard, David Warburton, a couple of our specialists, really smart folks from our solution architecture team and from our F5 Labs research team. And they're going to be doing a couple workshops here as well. So lots to check out here at Infosecurity Europe. I'm going to be doing some videos and chatting with a lot of folks here. So be sure to check that out. We're on LinkedIn, X, and Twitter, and on YouTube as well. Follow along. And otherwise, we will see you on the next one. Bye now.